Today I'm going to show you how easily you can make bajra roti. So this is bajra dough. I made a soft dough and then you make a small ball, roll it in the rice flour and slowly gradually spread it. So you have to be careful. You will get slight cracks, but don't worry, even if there are cracks, you can always work with it. Then put it on the hot tawa. Always make sure you spread little water on it so any cracks will be covered. When it's done from one side, flip it, and once it's done from the another side, you can directly put it on the stove, and as you can see, it's fluffy. That's it. Hope you enjoy it.